Let's add StackViews to Pitch Perfect. Open the main.storyboard file and navigate to our Play Sounds View Controller scene. Let's start by changing the background of the view back to white. Select the view in the document outline and then in the Attributes Inspector, select white as the background color. Okay, now to add the stack views. In Pitch Perfect, we're going to have a vertical stack view as the base with horizontal stack views embedded inside of it. Make sure the object library is open here on the bottom right and put in the word stack into the search box. You should see horizontal and vertical stack views. Drag a vertical stack view onto the view. You should see it underneath the view in the document outline here on the left side. Drag diagonally from the vertical stack view back to the view. With the Shift key held down, select Leading Space to Container, Trailing Space to Container, Vertical Spacing to Top Layout Guide, Vertical Spacing to Bottom Layout Guide, and select Add Constraints. This will add the constraints we need, but the stack view is still the wrong size. The reason is that Xcode has put in constants in the constraints to keep the stack view at the size you see here. We really should remove those and make it the same size as the view. To do that, go into each of the 4 constraints and set the constant to 0. As you do this, you'll notice that the stack view will start to look correctly. Once you finish setting all the constants to 0, the stack view will be the same size as the view for our Play Sounds View Controller. Let's make sure the main vertical stack view has the correct fill and distribution properties. Select the vertical stack view from the document outline. In the Attributes Inspector, choose Fill for the alignment and Fill equally for the distribution. Make sure spacing is set to 0 as you see here. For this next step, Xcode is going to display a few auto layout warnings while we drag the new stack view onto our scene. Don't be alarmed. The warnings will be there while the stack view is empty. Once we add buttons to it, the stack view will know how to size itself and the auto layout warnings will disappear. From the object library, search for the word stack. Drag a horizontal stack view underneath the vertical stack view. Select the horizontal stack view, and in the Attributes Inspector, make sure alignment is set to fill and distribution is set to fill equally. In the next step, we're going to add the buttons for slow and fast audio playback.